Hello, everyone. Jeff Affronti, FSD, annuityexperts.com. How you doing? I'm looking today at explaining some laddering using insurance guarantees and MYG annuities. One of my agents brought this to our attention regarding the fact that corporate bonds aren't doing too well. Don't know about corporate bonds. I don't really work in that area, but let me show you what the MYGAs can do on laddering. So I like it to call it staring more than laddering, because laddering is like straight up, and this really looks like stairs. This is more like staring annuities. Okay, so here we go. And remember, these rates are effective today and kind of subject to change thereafter. So if we look at laddering, so we're going to ladder to 100,000. How much does it cost today? How much premium do we have to put into the annuity today to get 100,000 in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and 5 years? And here's how it breaks out. So currently, and these rates are going to adjust, and rates have been moving upward. So remember, these are just as of today's rate. So cost $95,928. You make $4,081, brings you to $100,000 in 2 years. So $95,928 for the 2 year. You need $91,514 for the 3 year. 4 years at $87,991, and the 5 year is at $83,791. And you see, you make $16,000 on the 5 year, $12,000, $8,000, and $4,000 respectively. So now let's look at it the opposite way. Let's say you have $100,000. You want to see what it grows to in these 2, 3, and 4 year range. So 100,000 would grow to 104,448. The 3 year would grow to 109,910. The 4 year would grow to 113,647, and the 5 year would grow to 119,920. All guaranteed from day one. That's what they will do. There's not if this, if that, call this, call it. It's just 100% guaranteed. Insurance guarantees. This will be done at the end of the term. So that's what we like about the laddering and these MYGAs. It's 100% guaranteed. You don't have any guesswork, and you can really do some nice planning if you take care of the guaranteed stuff with guarantees, or the safe stuff with guarantees. So, by the way, follow me on LinkedIn for the most recent stuff. These videos I do when I can. When I feel like I had allergies all last week, my eyes were puffy. I didn't do any. So if you want, follow me here. I'll do like PDFs and other stuff like that. So just go there, and then there's a little bell. You go and you click on that bell. It'll turn that dark color. See, it goes from light to dark like that. And then you'll get my notifications as I post, whether it be, on split annuities or whatever's new in the marketplace, current interest rates and all that good stuff. So here's some disclosures regarding this email. You can pause it here regarding this video. And that's the end of my presentation. Again, if you're a life agency and you don't do annuities, you want to bring them on, but you don't want to, that's what we're here for. That's what we normally work with. Life agencies, you got tons of agents. The annuities are going elsewhere. We'll work with you on that. Or if you've never done annuities before and you see these laddering and these MYGAs, how do I get involved in this? It's all guaranteed. It's all super safe, super client friendly stuff, super great client satisfaction. We don't talk about the client satisfaction enough in these traditional products, not so much the index, but these MYGAs and SPIAs, just because they give 100% of what you're told from day one on day one. So go ahead and give me a call at this 800 number here. If you have any questions, we're ready to talk. Make my phone ring. Thanks a lot. Hope you all have a nice rest of your week. Tomorrow's Friday, so enjoy. Have a good one. Take care. Hope you liked my MYGA laddering video. Bye-bye.